All right, let's talk about page 3, number 5. Tell whether each sequence is arithmetic, geometric, or neither. Then supply the missing terms and give the value of D or R. Right? So I have 3/5 and I have 5/7. Well, let me check something out. If I do 5/7 subtract 3/5, I'm going to get a common denominator. This would be 25/35 subtract 21/35, and that gives me 4/35. Okay, so that was 5/7 minus 3/5. Let's try 7/9 minus 5/7. If I have 7/9, subtract 5/7, get a common denominator of 63. This is 49. Right. This is 9/45. I have 4/63. These are different, so I know that it is not arithmetic because I did not come out with the same difference. Now let's see if it's geometric. So if I do 5/7 divided by 3/5, 5/7 divided by 3/5, copy the first fraction, change the multiplication, flip the second fraction, and that's going to give me 25/21. Do the next set of terms. 7/9 divided by 3/5. Copy the first fraction, change the multiplication, flip the second one. Right? And what do I get? Copy, change, and flip. So I've got 35/27. Whoops. Nope. Let me fix that. I used the wrong fraction. So let me fix this. Use the wrong one. This should be 7/9 divided by 5/7. Copy that first fraction, change the multiplication, flip the second. That should give me 49/45. I did not come out with the same ratio, so this is not geometric. So it's not arithmetic, it's not geometric. That makes it neither. So neither. And this is not applicable. I can figure out what the next two terms are though, because this is 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is going to be 11. This will be 13. And then in the denominator, I've got 5, 7, 9, 11. This will be 13. And this will be 15. There is a pattern. It's just not arithmetic and it's not geometric. Okay. Alrighty. The next one. Got 1/2, 1, 3/2, 2. Alright, so if I do 1 subtract 1/2, I get 1/2. If I do 3/2 subtract 1, 3/2 subtract 1, change this to a fraction. 3/2 subtract 2/2 gives me 1/2. I subtracted and I got the same. So this right here tells me that it is arithmetic. Okay. So my next term here is going to be 5/2. And then because it's 2, I'm basically going this way. It's getting 1/2 bigger every time. And this one right here, 5/2 plus 1/2 gives me 6/2 or 3. So this is arithmetic. And my D equals 1/2. Make sure you use D for arithmetic and R for geometric. That's on your notes on page 1. All right. Let's stop right there. Well, no, I guess we've got enough time to get one more done. Alrighty, so I'm going to subtract these first to see if I have a pattern. So I've got 0.02, subtract 0.2, right? That gives me a negative 0.18. Then I'm going to take this and subtract that one. So 0.002, subtract 0.02, and that gives me negative 0.018. So this is not arithmetic. All right. Now I'm going to try the ratio. So I'm going to do 0.02, 2/100 over 2/10. So 2/100 over 2/10. That gives me 1/10. Then I'm going to try this over the next term. Okay. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. 2/1000 over 2/100 also gives me 0.01 or 1/10. So this is geometric. And my R is 1/10. Okay. And if I divide these out, or multiply them rather, I will get these two numbers next in my sequence. And now we're done.